What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be installing coilovers on my Honda S2000. I'm going with true hearts because it's time to give the underdogs a shot. Right now, I already loosened all the lug nuts, so those are all loose. I got some true hearts over here. Do the unboxing. So right off the bat, like the quality. I like the quality. Everybody wants to go with HKS and all these other brands. I'm not against it. But how do you think them other brands got their name? From being the underdog. Gotta give them a shot. Gotta give them a chance. You know? At the end of the day, the underdogs got a shot. They got something to prove. They have a good product to sell you at a good price, at great quality. And if I were y'all, I wouldn't sleep on these True Hearts. I ain't sponsored by them, but I've heard nothing but good stuff. I know a couple of friends that run them, and nobody's complaining, not one bit. A lot of my friends say they'd rather put these on their car than D2. Not hating, never owned D2 or function or form, but I've heard for the best bang for the buck, True Heart. Let's get these installed. These are the fronts. These are the rears. Like I said, give the underdogs a shot. Everybody started at the bottom. Look at me. If it was that easy, I'd have million-view subscribers, but it's not the way it works. Let's get these installed. It's on it right now. Circuit works, coilovers, trash. Wouldn't recommend to nobody. They have AIDS. There's a whole hell of a lot of rubber. Trash out. Right off the rip, True new HART looks better quality already. These are dampening. These are supposed to be 36 way. What do I think about those? Alright, I got the left rear done. These are brand new axles. I just put these in last year. Those shit's already rusted. Those need to be painted. A new upper control arms. Those got aids. Same thing with the lower control arms. Those have aids. Onto the left front. Sorry guys, trying to do this with one hand. It's not easy. Let me put this down. Oh, that rubber. Oh yeah, brother. place.
He was listening the whole time. I'll stay off the road.
He's like, I can hear it, I can't see it. Let me stay over here. Just grinning.
good. If you guys are looking for coilovers, 600 and under, I suggest you buy the True Hearts, because these shits are well worth the money. Trust me. So I suggest y'all get yourself a pair if you want a budget and you don't want to spend $1,000 plus on coilovers. These things don't clunk, they don't rattle, they're not too stiff, they're not bouncy. Teeing, worst coilovers ever. I would never buy a set of those ever. They're on my hatch, they came with it. I fucking hate them coilovers. They have AIDS and they will be going in the garbage when I take them off. No, they won't be for sale. I wouldn't fucking put them on a lawnmower. But these True Hearts, real good coilovers. Real good. You guys don't hear no clunky in the background no more. Nothing. Yeah, boy.